What if I tell you that there's an indicator that can help you mark all the levels in the market? Yes, there is. This indicator marks the support and resistance, and also marks it from demand and supply zone. This indicator is very accurate that it can make you so profitable in the market if it is properly applied. So in this video, I will be discussing with you how you can apply this indicator to your trading style and become so profitable. But before we go into the video, please, if this is your first time coming across this channel, do us a favor by liking the video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. So without any further delays, let's go right into the video. The strategy is based on an indicator called Support and Resistance Dynamic, created by Luxolgo. This is a technical analysis tool that aims to provide real-time predictive support and resistance zones that are relevant to a detected trend. But before we talk more about this indicator, let's add it to the chart for more understanding of it. And to add it to the chart, we navigate to the indicator search bar. And there we are going to search for support and resistance. Select the support and resistance dynamic made by Luxolgo. This indicator by Luxolgo is designed to provide real-time predictive support and resistance zones that are relevant to a detected trend. It works by analyzing the price action of a security and identifying key levels of support and resistance that are relevant to the current trend. When the market is uptrending, the indicator will only return support zones, while a downtrending market will cause the indicator to only return resistance zones. If the price significantly breaks a support or resistance, rendering it unreliable, it can be a sign of a potential reversal. We can go over to the indicator setting to see the setting for more clarification. But in this strategy that I'm sharing with you, we're going to leave all the setting at default. Looking at the indicator, you will notice that when the indicator plot the levels, sometimes price will wicks below or above to took out liquidity, which is very normal when price approach any level of the market. So how we are going to use this indicator is that after price swipes out the liquidity, we are going to wait to see price returning back to the level, and will give us a very good reversal pattern before we can take a trade. And looking at the indicator, you will also notice that it changes color from green to red. How this works is that when the indicator first plot a resistance level, the color will be green, and whenever price wicks above it, it will turn to red, indicating that price has grabbed some liquidity. Understanding some things about this indicator, let's see some example on how you can actually enter a trade using this indicator. For instance, we are looking at BTC USD on 15 minutes time frame. We see that price is on uptrend. And you know that when price is on uptrend, all we need to do is to look for a place to buy. And that place will be a demand level or flip zone. This is when we look at the indicator to see what it is really doing. And on checking it, we see that price has recently broken out of a resistance level, making it a support level. Seeing this breakout, many aggressive traders would have entered a trade setting their stop losses slightly below the support. But on this strategy, you need to wait to see price coming back to bounce of the zone and also took out some liquidity before you can look for a very good reversal pattern to enter a trade. And seeing that price has bounced on support and have took out some liquidity and also have given us a very good reversal pattern, then we can enter a trade setting our stop loss below the candle that took out the liquidity and targeting 2 risk-reward ratio, or the nearest resistance. As you can see, this trade made some profit. To add more entering confirmation to this indicator, this is when we add another indicator that will help us identify the trend. Then we go over to the indicator search bar. There we are going to search for Supertrend. Select the Supertrend aim made by Luxolgo. Looking at the indicator, you will see that it has many features, which are the green line and the red line, and also a single line that changes color from red to green depending on the trend of the market. And at the right corner of the chart, you can see a table where the indicator shows the result of its calculations. Before we are going to use this indicator, let's adjust the setting for it to fit our strategy. Then we go over to the indicator setting. On the input setting, uncheck the candle coloring, and then go over to the style setting. Uncheck the trailing stop, bar color, labels, and the table, and increase the size of the trailing stop AMA and press OK. How we are going to use this indicator is that when the indicator is green, it indicates an uptrend, and when the indicator is red in color, it indicates that price is on downtrend. And sometimes when the indicator is green, indicating that the price is on uptrend, it might slightly turn to red to indicate a pullback. This is opposite to downtrend. Understanding how we will use this indicator on this strategy, let's see how to enter a trade combining the two indicators. Here we are looking at BTC USD. On 15 minutes, we see that price is downtrend, and price has broken out of a support, making it a resistance. Then we check to see if price has taken out any liquidity, and on seeing that it has. Then we check the super trend to see if it is red in color, indicating downtrend. And if it is, then we need to see a very good bearish engulfing candle to enter a trade. And looking here, you will see that price has given us the very good engulfing candle here. Then we can enter a trade, setting our stop loss above the resistance or above the candle that took out the liquidity, and targeting 2 risk-reward ratio, or target the next support level. As you can see, this trade played out nicely. Let's see how to enter a buy trade. Look at this setup. Is it right time to enter a trade? If you said yes, you are correct. First, you see that price is on uptrend, and price is bouncing on a support, and it have took out liquidity, and the super trend is green, trading below the price. With this, you can enter a trade. In this case, you are going to set your stop loss below the support, because you see that the liquidity sweep was so deep, and you are going to target 2 risk-reward ratio. Here you see that price is on uptrend, and the indicator has marked a support level, and you see that price has bounced on it and have took out liquidity, and also has given us a very good bullish engulfing candle. Then we check the super trend to see if it is green in color, indicating an uptrend, and on seeing that it is green in color, then we can enter a trade, setting our stop loss below the candle that took out the liquidity and targeting the nearest resistance. As you can see, the trade play out nicely. As you have made to the end of this video, if you have any questions, leave it on the comment section. We will be glad to answer them. Also remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video.